up, what's up?
We are riding through Tokyo. So come with us as we ride go-karts through Tokyo. Shibuya Crossing.
Shibuya Crossing.
Okay.
3 times.
So we just made it to Shibuya Crossing, which is one of the busiest intersections in Tokyo. And let me tell you, it definitely lives up to the hype.
What's going on, everybody? Hey!
It's cool because everybody's waving to
Yeah.
you. It's like we're movie stars. I mean, we are movie stars. Right. We do have a movie coming out.
So, are you an actor?
I know, I am a superstar.
Oh, okay.
I don't have to act. It's my life. It's my life. So cute.
All right, guys. We're going through Shibuya with the carts.
It is so packed, y'all. I feel like if we would have did like a different track and it wasn't Shibuya, we wouldn't have as
So
many
many
stop signs.
Yeah.
There's a lot of lights. Woo!
Well, we could just power through.
Yeah, you know.
Woo!
Woo! So every red light that we get to, right, he gives instructions and we take pictures. I've taken so many, woo, woo, woo! I've taken so many pictures so far. It's cool though. Baby, these brakes though. The brakes are not good at all. When I tell you,
hold it for a second.
When I tell you that you have to freaking press down so hard to stop, and I don't want to hit the people in front of me. So our group right now only has like 4 people. It's the couple in front and then Faustino and I. Uh-oh, we about to go, y'all. Hold up. Uh-oh, hold up. Okay, finally on the street and we're not stopping at the red light. Woo! Okay, he just gestured for us to get into 2 lines. That was cool. Whoop! Sorry. I just bumped her. Yeah. Oh, child, I keep losing my hat. They're definitely trying to cut through. Uh-oh. Nobody going over there, mister.
You're trying to cut me off. You see that?
Oh, really? You got to stay close, though, baby. Shibuya, roll call.
I tell you what, guys, it definitely gets cold at night here.
Okay, so I think Faustino and I are about to get in the front. Oh, he behind me. Ah! Ah! Good job. Were we one lane or? Oh, switch. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I go in the front. Okay. All right.
Okay, so we're gonna switch. Faustina and I are gonna get in the front.
Okay.
Okay, left. Oh, you're good. You're up here. Awesome sauce.
Guys, so this is a Harajuku. Yes, many Japanese young people.
Hello.
Very famous spot.
Okay.
Awesome. Everybody's so cool. This is places that we would have never seen
Right.
had we not taken this tour.
Because you can't walk
Let's
around
go.
here.
Shibuya roll call.
So guys, can you see the forest?
Yes.
Can you see the forest?
Yeah.
Yes.
The main shrine is behind the forest.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh,
The main shrine is behind this forest right
Two
there.
lines.
Okay.
Same.
2 lines.
main 2 lines.
Ah! Ah! This is going so fast. Whoa! Shit!
Wow, that was
These
fast.
brakes though.
I know, that was downhill. That.
That shit was fast. Fuck. 1 line. Yikes, yikes. Sorry. I'm
Don't worry about it.
good.
These brakes are hard.
I'm stopping as hard as I can on these brakes. Okay.
You have to really press for the brakes.
Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
Okay, good, good.
I have insurance.
He said he has insurance. Bro, when I tell you these brakes are something serious, no wonder they make you get insurance because, yeah, baby, when I tell you, it's hard. I'm sorry, I keep putting the camera down because if people are stopping wanting to take pictures.
Hey!
That dude in his haze. Yeah, he's spinning that bitch. I gotta spin it right with him. Oh, okay.
You can take picture. You have some?
Yeah.
We are heading back. Shibuya
Okay.
Crossing.
Okay.
One more time.
One more time, because why not?
All right, guys. Heading back to Shibuya Crossing for one more time.
This has been so fun, I swear.
This is so cool, guys. I'm telling you, y'all. If you're ever in Tokyo, you gotta do one of these.
Oh my gosh. Everybody having fun?
Yeah!
Let's go!
You're in Shibuya. We just went through the cross and it is crowded. Oh, the Mega. All right, guys, the Mega Don Quixote is right there. We actually visited this earlier looking for some stuff.
That's pretty cool, got it. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so thank you for waiting. Showtime!
All right.
Okay.
So we can choose.
Oh, choose.
Color, so
Okay.
we can translate that.
Okay. Okay. Somebody go first.
Okay.
Okay, so let's check. So this is my picture.
Okay.
Oh, okay, treat it.
Oh, okay.
You guys next to the kids. This is a review thing.
Okay, got you.
If you enjoy the tour, please scan this code and please review.
Okay, hold on, let's see. We had such an amazing time. I swear, if you guys are ever in Tokyo, but Shibuya for sure, because I don't know how the other ones are, but this one, go-kart, the best.
Make sure you give it a try. It's definitely exciting. It's definitely fun. A good way to see the town. It was just fun.
It was fun.
Where else can you drive a go-kart in like a big city like this?
And then you can ask for Raku, because he definitely made it an amazing trip. So I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video. Maybe, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, we had fun. I hope you had fun. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the section below. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so, and we'll see you in our next video. Deuces!